Are you tired of the traditional 9-to-5 office routine? Are you looking for ways to work from the comfort of your home? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I will be sharing with you the top 3 remote job websites that can help you find your dream job and work remotely.
1. Upwork is a popular freelancing platform that offers a wide range of remote job opportunities. From content writing to web development, Upwork has it all. All you need to do is create a profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on projects that interest you. 2. Flexjobs is another great platform that offers remote job opportunities. With Flexjobs, you can filter your job search based on your preferences, including job type, location, and schedule. This makes it easier for you to find a job that fits your needs and lifestyle. 3. Remote.co is a job board that exclusively features remote job opportunities. The platform partners with companies that offer remote work options, making it easier for you to find a job that allows you to work from anywhere in the world. So those are the top 3 remote job websites that can help you find your dream job and work remotely. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below.